the Soundcore Liberty Air 2 versus Apple AirPods Pro. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will take a look at how the Anker Soundcore Liberty Air 2 compares to the Apple AirPods Pro. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the links in the description below for the products. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. On the left we have the Liberty Air 2 and on the right is the AirPods Pro. I've done separate reviews on each and have included the links in the description and at the end of the video if you prefer to watch those. Now let's go over some specs. The Liberty Air 2 has 7 hours of listening time, 28 hours with the case. 10 minutes of charge will give you 2 hours. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, aptX, and CVC for noise reduction. It has touch controls and an app. USB-C and wireless charging. IPX5 sweat and water resistant. The AirPods Pro has 4.5 to 5 hours of listening time, 24 hours with the case. 5 minutes of charge will give you 1 hour. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, has ANC and the transparent hearing, Force Touch and the voice-activated Siri, USB-C and wireless charging, and it's IPX4 sweat and water resistant. Here are the cases side by side, similar in design with the Liberty Air just a bit thicker. On the front of the cases you'll find the status LED lights. And on the bottom of the Liberty Air 2 you have the USB-C charge port and pairing button. And on the AirPods Pro you'll find the lightning port. And on the back of the AirPods Pro you'll find the pairing button. The Liberty case is plastic all around with a matte finish, and it's easy to grip. The Soundcore branding is on the top. The lid opens and closes smoothly, and it uses magnets along with the earbuds. And the earbuds are easy to grip and remove from the case. The AirPods case has a glossy finish all around and a brushed latch on the back. The lid is also easy to open and it uses magnets. Earbuds are easy to remove and are secured by magnets as well. As mentioned earlier, both cases have wireless charging, and here they are on a wireless charger. You can see them charge. The Liberty 2 earbuds have the same design as the previous version, but with the added orange on the bottom of the stem and inside the ear tips, and the gray accent on the outside. This also comes in black. Each of the earbuds feature a sensor, LED, touch controls, microphones, charging contacts, and interchangeable ear tips. It also has an app which you can customize with touch control assignments and have access to a wide assortment of EQ presets. The AirPods Pro have a shorter stem, and it's plastic all around with the ear indicator markings on the lower part of the stem. This utilizes Force Touch to navigate the controls. Each of the earbuds feature charging contacts, microphones, force sensor, antenna, interchangeable ear tips, H1 chipset, battery, dual accelerometers, and dual optical sensors. You can modify and toggle the active noise cancellation and transparent settings under the Bluetooth settings, along with the ear fit test to make sure that you have the proper seal. And here they are side by side. The Liberty Air 2 earbuds is approximately 1.5 inches long, and the AirPods Pro is 1.2 inches long. The Liberty case weighs in at 43 grams, and the AirPods come in at 46 grams. The Liberty earbuds come in at 11 grams, and the AirPods come in at roughly 11 grams as well. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by microphone samples.
Sometimes we're big. Colors fill the space whenever you're around. We're illuminated in my room right now. There in your mind, deep in your eyes, I know we see it too. The more we break, the better way the light comes through. You and me, we can really mess it up sometimes. We're big.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Anker Soundcore Liberty Air 2 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Apple AirPods Pro microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone on both came in loud and clear during calls, and they were excellent. I would give a slight edge to the Liberty Air 2 as I felt it came in a bit louder. Pairing on both were instant. You can also use the earbuds independently, left or right side. Testing video on an iOS device, I didn't experience any noticeable latency. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Liberty Air 2 and AirPods Pro. And sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. Both utilize the ear tip design, but I would give an edge to the AirPods for comfort. I didn't feel that much pressure in my ear canals compared to the Liberty. They both felt secured and had no issues staying into place while running. Touch controls and the force touch options are a plus since it doesn't add excessive pressure when navigating. Build-in quality, I would say they are fairly even. The cases feel durable and have a plastic feel to them. The earbuds feel durable as well, and the form factors are similar. I do like the accenting on the Liberty Air 2, and it gives a sharper look. The battery life is better on the Liberty, coming in at 7 hours and 28 hours total with the case. They both offer wireless charging, which is a plus. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, the AirPods Pro is definitely an improvement from the previous version. You get the punchy tight bass, but I feel that the Liberty Air 2 has more bass compared to the Pros. The Liberties come in much more prominent and heavier. Not overwhelming, but definitely a step up from the Pros. Mids and highs are good on both. You get nice separation and they come in clean and loud. I will have to give it to the Liberty Air 2 on this as well. I feel that it's just taken up another notch, and you get more clarity. Vocals definitely stand out quite a bit, and it's louder and a bit more forward on the Liberty. You also have the flexibility on toggling the EQ presets in the app depending on your music genre. The AirPods do have transparent listening so you can hear ambient sounds, and I found it to work fairly well. Also, the active noise cancellation feature was impressive. Not to the point that it can replace an over-the-ear headphones with ANC. I did have the HVAC running during my test, and you can definitely hear the difference when toggling it on and off. So overall, the AirPods Pro are definitely an improvement from the previous version as mentioned. The added ANC and transparent features are nice to have, but they are not necessarily features that everyone seeks out. I feel that the Liberty Air 2 is a better and cheaper alternative to the AirPods Pro. It just outperforms it with the overall sounds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.